Hello and welcome to Spy Math. This is Mr. Spy. This will be part 4 of my collection of visual logarithms, how to solve exponential equations using logarithms in a few cases. So we'll start off with the basic cases and work our way up in difficulty. First, two easy cases that you can do without a calculator. So you rearrange it: log of base 7 of 343, and you get 3, because 7 to the third power is 343. On to the next one: 625x equals 5. Rearrange it to log of base 625 of 5 equals x. You can notice that this is working backwards. So log (5 to the 4th power) is 625. And if you're working backwards, you can notice that the 4th root of 620 is 5. So x in this case would equal 1/4. And the first case, x equals 3. So there are some simple cases without a calculator, but most of them do require a calculator. Let's go on to some simple examples using the calculator. So let's pull up our calculator. Okay, so 3 simple examples using the calculator. First one is a base of 10. So it's just log. You don't need to write the base in 10. Log of 50. So the log of 50 is equal to 1.6989 or 1.699. So x in this case is approximately 1.699. This case is log of base 2. So I'll go over this case, the change of base formula. This will be log of base 2, 12, which you can rewrite as log of 12 over log of 2 equal to x. So x is approximately log of 12 divided by log of 2, where you get 3.585. So 3.585. If you want to check your result, you could do 2 raised to the previous answer by hitting second negative sign to the previous answer, and you'll notice we get 12 exactly. On to the next example. Here we'll use the regular log base. So this should be rewritten as log of base 1.35 of 2.18 equals x. So x is approximately, so we have alpha, window, option 5, log of base 1.35, and we put 2.18 in parentheses, hit enter, and we get a value of 2.967 approximately. So x is approximately 2.597. Okay, on to cases a bit more challenging. On to some medium cases where you need to do a few steps before you work with the exponent. So in this case, you have to get the part I'm highlighting alone, the 3 to the x. So you first divide both sides by 12. 36 divided by 12 is 3. So 3 to the x equals 3. Now you don't even need to take the log. You notice that 3 to a power equals x. So x equals 1. But if you do take the log, that'll be the log of base 3 3, when those two numbers match, is always equal to 1. So x equals 1. Next example, 2 times 5 to the x minus 11 equals 600. You add 11 to both sides, so you want to get the exponential part alone. So you get 2 times 5 to the x equals 611. Divide by 2. You divide by 2, you get 5 to the x just scroll up a little bit. 5 to the x equals 611 divided by 2, which is 305.5. Use change the form to the log. Log of base 5 of 305.5 will give you your x value, which is approximately. So you hit alpha window, option 5, log of base 5 of 305.5, and you get 3.555. 3.555. Always make sure to put approximately, so x in this case is 3.555. There's two many cases now. Let's use two many cases where x has more involved. In these cases, there's more involved in x. I mean by there's more involved in the power. So you have log of base 6 of 15 equals 2x. Don't use the calculator yet. Divide by 2. Divide by 2. Log x equals log of base 6 of 15 divided by 2. So you input the calculator by hitting alpha. Y equals to get a fraction symbol, option 1. Then you type in alpha window, option 5. Log of base 6 of 15 divided by 2 gives you 0.756. X approximately 0.756. Now, if you don't have to change base log base on your calculator, you only have to change a base. So the way you type this in is log of 15 divided by log of 6. Hit enter, and then multiply that by 1/2. So I multiply that by 1/2, and you should get exactly the same result. Okay? On to the next one. 15 to the 3x minus 2 power equals 100. Save that thing. Use log. Change it to log of base 15 of 100 equals 3x minus 2. Then you solve for x, so you add 2 on both sides. So you get log base 15 of 100 plus 2 equals 3x. And you divide everything by 3. And you get x approximately. Then you go over to your calculator, set up a fraction again, alpha y equals math. So alpha, whoops, make sure you have a numerator. Alpha window, option 5, log of base 15 of 100, outside of parentheses, plus 2, all divided by 3, making x approximately 1.2 1.234. 1.234. On to the final case in this video, a difficult case, 12 times 1.05 to the x plus 3 power minus 10 equals 15. The same common goal. You want to get the exponential part by itself. So you add 10 on both sides. You get 12 times 1.05 to the x plus 3 power equals 25. Divide both sides by 12. Keep it as a fraction because 25 does not go into 12. So it's 1.05 to the x plus 3 power equals 25 over 12. Then you use logarithms. So log of base 1.05 of 25 over 12 equals x plus 3. You minus 3 on both sides. That gives you the value of x, which will be approximately, so you always type in the number first, so negative 3 plus alpha window option 5 of log of base 1.05 of 25 over 12, and x approximately 12.043. 12.043. If you want to check your answer, hold on one second. So if you want to check your answer, you type in the equation 12. 1.05 raised to our answer plus 3 minus 10, and hopefully we get 15. We did. Good job. Now on to the last video in this series. We'll look at some special cases, all difficult equations to solve for x, where we use half-life and other common applications of exponents. This is Mr. Spy, signing off.